Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Cherryl, and today we're going to make musical instruments. We're going to make shakers. Let's have fun doing this. To make our shakers, we're going to need 2 paper cups, some duct tape, some pasta, and markers. You can use whatever beans, pasta, rice that you have at home. And if you don't have duct tape, you can use masking tape. So let's get it started. So first, we're going to take our markers and we're going to decorate the outside of our cups. You can put whatever you want on your cup. And you can use different colors to make your designs. I chose to put flowers on mine. After we have decorated our cups, we are going to pour some of the pasta into one like that, and make sure we're shaking it evenly so that it's nice and firm at the bottom. To make our shaker, we're going to take the empty cup and place it on the cup that's filled with the pasta. Then we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut 2 strips of tape so that we can border along the line of our cup like this. So then we take the tape, holding the cups firmly, we're going to place the tape around the cup. Then we're going to take another piece of tape and we're going to put it around the cup as well, just to keep it firm and secure, like this. And then we can shake. And there you have it, your shaker. Please try it at home, and I know you will have fun doing it. I hope you had fun watching this activity with me. Please try this at home and let me know how it turned out. Please like and subscribe to our videos, and I'll see you soon.